Well, each week, an average of 400 investigations of alleged child abuse and neglect are assigned in San Diego County. And this month is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and local nonprofit Promises2Kids is raising funds and awareness. So we are joined here by Faye from Promises2Kids and Roberto Lopez, a former foster youth and current guardian scholar at Promises2Kids. And you guys are here to tell us a little bit more about what Promises2Kids is all about. And Faye, it's a really endearing mission and one that a lot of folks maybe at home don't know about. So how would you best describe the work that is done?
Well, thank you so much for having us today. So Promises2Kids, we're a local nonprofit here in San Diego County, and we have been around for just over 40 years, and our mission is really to create a brighter future for foster children who unfortunately have been removed from their homes due to abuse and neglect. On every day, every day here in San Diego, there are nearly 3,000 current and former foster youth right here in our very backyard. And as I said, our mission really to create a brighter future through our programs, help them meet their educational needs, make sure that they are reunited with siblings they've been separated from, and so much more.
And how much of that work is, again, you mentioned as a nonprofit, a lot of support needed, obviously, to make sure that work is possible, right?
Absolutely. So we help children all the way from birth through to adulthood, again, through our 4 different programs that we have, from helping them meet their educational and career goals, reuniting them with their siblings, making sure that there's somewhere safe for them to go should they be removed from their home. It is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, so this month we are trying to bring attention to that issue, and we are doing a campaign right now called Pinwheels for Prevention. So starting at $25, folks are able to purchase a pinwheel like you see here, and on April 26th we will be having a press conference at the County Administration Center and planting all of the pinwheels in San Diego County's Pinwheel for Prevention Garden.
And the whole idea is that the more pinwheels we see, the more we know that awareness as well as money has been raised. And you have the pinwheel here.
We do.
And obviously blue. Yes. A very big here symbol, especially with this month. Could you go a little bit more behind that? Yeah,
so blue is the color for the month, so hence the blue pinwheels, why we're wearing blue today. And there are many ways for individuals to support. Obviously, purchasing a pinwheel. You can also become a foster parent or a respite provider, volunteer, become a mentor to a youth, which is huge for our foster youth. You know, many grew up not having positive role models, so being able to do that, and of course through the entire month of May, just wearing blue. And
Roberto, could you tell us a little bit more about your story?
Yeah, so I'm a former foster youth, and I've actually had the help and the privilege of working with Promises2Kids. They've really helped me establish a foundation for myself. They provided tremendous resources. I'm very thankful for the organization. I've built plenty of relationships. I've actually got a career job with them as well, with Lenore. So I'm very thankful for all that they do for me, and a lot of the support that comes from the donors, the volunteers, and I want to give shout out to Promises2Kids for providing those mentors for me as well to help me build those life skills overall.
And how is it that, again, you mentioned helping you and all of the resources available, and now you are sort of that example, and just by being you are sort of paying it forward, paying it back, if you will, right?
So under the umbrella of Promises, they have a speakers bureau, and with that program, I'm actually able to be a voice for all the people that don't have a voice right now. Right. So I'm very thankful for that opportunity and for these experiences here with you right now. You know, we don't really get these opportunities, and for us to be a voice, for us to be out there and announce Promises2Kids and what they do is a tremendous program.
Well, we're very proud to make sure that we can also elevate your voices. And real quick, Faye, before we go, we have just a couple seconds here before break. Where can people go to find out a little bit more about the pinwheels?
Yeah, so you can visit our website, which is promises2kids.org. So there you can find how to purchase the pinwheel and other ways to support the mission.
Okay, Faye, Roberto, thank you guys so much. And again, you can learn a little bit more about Promises2Kids by visiting their website, but we'll see you guys after the break.